Imagine standing on a giant that's been here for thousands of years, but could disappear in our lifetime. This is Fox Glacier, one of New Zealand's last frozen wonders, a wild ride on helicopter, setting foot on the world of frozen blue, entering into the tunnels carved deep into the glacier, streams of crystal water and splashing face in an icy fountain. All of these made an experience you will enjoy every second.
So I just arrived to Queenstown, as you can see. It's raining and I'm picking up the car. I have to check it first and go on 6 hours drive. It's a two-way road going up the mountain. Crazy twists, as you can see on the map here. But look at the view, absolutely amazing. Scenic lookout, so I gotta go see. You guys, look at this view. But we gotta see a lot more than this view. Let's continue my journey. Look at that, so beautiful. I'll see you guys later. Good morning. So I'm on my way to go on a hike on the glaciers, and we're gonna get a helicopter, and then after that we go there and then we land, and then the adventure starts there.
A single line like this one. That's because on the side of the area we'll be walking, make sure you follow behind me, and at the very least I'll wonderful. I'll have to try and get away from the helipad as quick as we can to get everyone up to the next place. So guys, what I was telling you before about the trek, last year it was that big face over there that was doing everything. This year it's been this one that's been pumping down on from the side, where the glacier's been over time.
You were saying that it moves a meter per day?
Yeah, 1 meter to 1.5 meters downhill.
And those rocks coming from all the way
much
up the
further
mountain.
up. So they'll fall down onto the glacier a couple of kilometers further up, or between here and there. And they will just get carried down into the middle of the glacier as the glacier shifts and changes.
You guys look at this, so amazing. But look at the water.
And it's got a little bit of a cave that you guys can go and check out up there.
Awesome. Alrighty.
I'll just get you to pause there for a second. I'll pop off and have a look around the top of this. So you can feel free to pop up through there if you like. You might want to take your backpack off for that. It's a bit of a tighter squeeze. What an awesome experience. Oh my goodness. So although we've got sort of track which goes around like a list of cool things like this and you can get every single day, you can see through this one that it actually pops out the other side, but it's probably it's definitely too narrow to get to it. Wow. That was amazing. Get a wee photo on here, guys. That ice is a perfect colour.
Yeah, look at the color. That's amazing.
Awesome.
Such an amazing experience, such an awesome experience to be on top of the glaciers, knowing that they will disappear within 15, 20 or 30 years, and knowing that you're actually stepping on something that is actively moving a meter or two per day. So yeah, that was such an awesome experience, and like dipping my head under the water, that felt great. But yeah, this company here, very great, very awesome, highly recommended. It's considered cheap comparing to the other companies that provide the same service, and they don't cancel as much. Overall, very good experience. Unfortunately, the cloud had to cut the experience a bit short, but yeah, I enjoyed about 4 or 5 hours of being there, which was awesome. I'll see you guys later.